What's up? It's Ginger Fam, and welcome back to another video. So, if you haven't seen on my TikTok, made some Easter eggs, and I'm in Luke's room, so we're gonna give a house tour, right? Luke, let's give him a house tour.
Huh?
Let's give him a house tour. Why do you just mess up the room? I just cleaned Luke's room when he was supposed to clean it. And now he messed it up again.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I wanted to eat.
We can eat at the other table.
No.
Okay, this isn't even a big table. We can eat at the red table. Come on, let's give him a house tour. Come on, show him your red table. You can eat at that table. Alright, so this is the front door. Come on, Luke, show him. Living room, kitchen, and obviously we're going to show you Luke's room, but we'll show it again. Luke's room, my phone. Come on, Luke.
I don't want it.
Well, Luke didn't want to, so. System on here. It has LED lights. Just can't see.
I'm just tired of standing.
Go sleep in your room, not mine. Clothes are in there. More clothes in there. More clothes in there. In there. My room is the darkest. Stop. That's no.
Time for bed.
Then let's see in Luke's room.
Wee.
Bathroom. And bedroom. I mean, no, closet. My mom and dad's room. Me, sister, she's in college right now. She's in college. No, you're not messing up the sheets. We talked about this.
I'm not messing up the sheets.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Don't mess up your sheets.
No.
Well, then don't mess up other people's sheets.
No, I'm not going to mess up your sheets.
Your lunch is ready anyway. What are you going to eat?
So, yeah, we're going to eat lunch right now. So, see you guys later.